Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video we're gonna see the difference between a fake GameCube controller and a real GameCube one. The fake one is always gonna be on the left and the real one is gonna be on the right. At the first look at them we can already see that one of them doesn't have the Nintendo GameCube logo right here in the middle. Also, usually when you have a fake GameCube controller like this one, the button will be less responsive. If you want them to work correctly, you will have to press them more in the center than with a real GameCube controller. Also, the feeling is just not the same when you have a fake one in your hands. Especially with the Z button right here, it's a lot less smooth on the fake GameCube controller, and you will have a really better feeling on the real GameCube controller. It will be the same thing for the trigger. As you can see on these controller, both thumbstick are worn out. They are also pretty loose. If you want to know how to repair them, this will be my next video, and I will try to put the link in the description below if you want to see how to do that repair. It should be really interesting. Also, if you want to see other difference between the two controllers, on the real GameCube controller, they will use tri-wing screws, just like this. I don't know if you can see correctly, but it's not Phillips head, it's really tri-wing. Yeah, we can see it really well. Also, you will see the GameCube logo here and the Nintendo logo there. This is it. And now we can see the back of the fake one. You will see that they use Phillips head screws. And the Nintendo logo and the GameCube logo are not there. This is the main particularity that you can see from the outside of the controller. Now we will take them apart and we will see the inside of it. So to take them apart, it's basically the same thing on both of them. There is 6 screws that you need to remove. There is 2 at the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the leg of the controller. I will start with the real one with the 3-wing screwdriver. If you need to buy one, there will be a link in the description below. This one, the screw seems to be broken. Okay, so now we can open the controller. Let's see right here. Usually it's not clips in, but this one is kind of dirty. So here we go for the regular controller. As you can see, the trigger are well protected, they're well in place. It's really hard to misplace them, and here is for the other one. Here we go. The screws still seem to be attached, but there's no way we can remove them. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna try another way. Here we go, it's here. It's broken inside, so we're gonna remove that part. And if it's possible, we're gonna glue it back. Okay, so basically the part that is supposed to hold the screw in place is broken. So this is why I was not able to unscrew it, because when I was trying to unscrew the screw, This was just rotating inside and it wasn't loosing. So when I hold it in place, it was working well. Okay, so here we go for the inside of the fake GameCube controller. As you can see, the trigger are not the same. They can be misplaced inside. Yep, definitely. They are more harder to put in place. So here we go for the fake one, and then here we go for the real one. So it's a lot. The trigger are much. There is much more plastic piece, so it can be held in place correctly. Okay. So now we will see the inner of both the controller a little bit more. I will start with the Z button, as we were talking with it before. Just like this. These seems to be the same. Color is a bit different, but I can tell you that the clicky feeling is a lot different when you use them for real. Now we will take the inner controller out. This one has been a bit okay. Is there more screws? I think yes, but where are they? No, there doesn't seem to be any more screws. We just need to put it right up. Here we go. Let's go for the inside of it. I don't think that it will be much different for the other one. Maybe this one has screws. I don't know if I can see anything about that. I think we can lift it. Oh, it's the cable here. Okay, so here we go. So here is it for this one. And the D-pad was stuck under. So as we can see, the pads are different. I don't think we will be able to see a difference between the D-pad. These look pretty much the same. I think it would be the same with the button. Yeah, they look really similar. There is a blue thing there. I will remove it. They look pretty much the same, but we can say that the pads are different. Those one are more gray, and yep. And the texture on it is also different. This one has like little dots on it. I don't know if you can see on the camera. I'm not sure. I will try the best I can. So the real one has some stripes on it, and the fake one has some little dots. So I'm gonna put it back in place, and I'm gonna put it aside. Okay, so just like that, I think. I'm also gonna put the bottom part aside, just like this, and the Z button also. So now we're up with the motherboard. So here we go. Just like this, and just like this. So at first look, what we can see is that there is a lot less component on this one than in this one. There is really a lot more stuff on there. I don't know exactly why, but maybe it's for the button to be more receptive. There, on the fake one, there is also one for a place for a turbo and the slow button, but they are not used on this controller. On the real one, there's no place for such thing. The button configuration is also different. I think you have there is a wider space for the button to be registered on this one. Yeah, and it's pretty much it. Also, the color is different. Okay, so this will be it for today's video. I think that we have a good idea on what were the difference between the two controller. And if I were you, I will definitely buy a brand new a real GameCube controller just to make sure that everything is working properly, because the fake one are really a lot cheaper and they tend to break. It's really more easy to break them. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.